On the last video, we talked about the commutative property and how you can move things around, as in the word commutative means commute or to move. Now I want to talk about the associative property. Okay. Now the main thing with the associative property is that it's a property of mathematical operations. It means that if you have more than one of the same associative operator, like plus, like the plus symbol, more than one of the plus symbol, more than one of the multiplication symbol in a row, the order of operations does not matter. Okay, the order of operations does not matter. So if I had, for example, if I had 5 plus 2 plus 3, this will equal to 10. Now the same thing if I did 5 plus 3 plus 2, this still equals 10. Or if I did 2 plus 3 plus 5, this still is going to give me the value of 10. Now same thing with multiplication. Okay, if I had in multiplication, if I had 3 times 5 times 2, okay, this would equal, let's see, 15 times 30. This would equal 30. Now if I had the exact same problem written as 2 times 5 times 3, I will still get the answer 30. Okay, the associative property, again, basically just tells us all of these are interchangeable. Okay, we can flip these around to whatever or however we want them. So if I had 5, if I did 5 times 3 times 2 again, okay, I will still get the answer of 30. Alright, these properties make, or the associative property makes the addition and the multiplication interchangeable. Now, it is not the same to say that, okay, we have 3 times 2 plus 5. Okay, it is not the same to say that you can interchangeably switch these 2's and this 2 and the 5. Okay, I'll show you. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 5 is 11. Now if we switched it and said 3 times 5 plus 2 is 11, that is not true. This is not true. Let me just mark that with red so you get it. This does not work. You cannot integrally change the multiplication and the addition sign to get the same answer. This in itself would equal 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. Okay, this is completely wrong. Okay, and same thing if you had 3 plus 2 times 5. Okay, using order of operations, we know this is 10 plus 3, which this will equal 13. So this is not the associative property. The associative property simply states that if you have more than one of the same associative operator, that in a row, the order of operations does not matter.